In this episode, we're going to talk about installing an elevator in an existing home, which means it is not a necessity to sell your old homes just to get a new house with an elevator in it. This landed property has 3 floors, which means the elevator that we're building will take you all the way up to the top floor, which is where I'm at right now. The elevator that we're building here is 1.4 meters wide and 1.2 meters in length. But as you can see, this concrete structure over here is blocking the way. So our solution is to place a metal I-beam on each level that is mounted on the building to support the upper floor. Then we will hack down the excess slabs, just enough for the elevator structure to fit nicely between the walls and the stairs. So, if you're considering an elevator for your home, give us a call and get a free consultation from one of our experts.